In this video, I decided to add few background tree lines for our horizon line. We could choose something like that or that. I searched in pngegg.com. I think that could be fine. I download it. Of course, I'm human. Hope so. I drag it directly in Photoshop. Fine order position is, of course, set after this background mountain. So I drag it up to find suited spot, and I decrease the opacity to see background. Press Ctrl or Command T, hold on the Shift key, make it smaller. We could add these trees top of this mountain, or just in the background, not so empty. Okay, we need to replace this mask for this layer, so I hold on the Alt or Option key and drag it here. Make the mask inverted, select it and press Ctrl or Command I. Alright, I unlink the mask and layer, select layer, Ctrl or Command T. Maybe larger because far space from here to here. Alright, here could be fine. And adjust the color. Press Ctrl or Command U for hue saturation. And I shift the color to the right side. Less saturation, okay. Press Ctrl or Command M for curves. And make it darker. I think the highlight is too much. So decrease value. We could even adjust the colors here. Open the channels, for example blue. I increase the blue values. Red, decrease the red values. And the green, we could decide to increase or decrease. Not too much. I think something happened on blue. Yes, it is too much. Alright, and I could use brightness and contrast too to increase contrast, and maybe brightness. It's totally depend on you what type you like to make. I think the adjustment, especially for hue saturation, need tweak. Sadly does not show the final result. We have problem here. Still Photoshop didn't make smart layers so interactive. And of course I could decrease the opacity a bit to blend with background. We could even use color match from this layer to using background colors. I think the mask quality is not fine at all, sadly. So I hold on the Ctrl or Command key and click to select anywhere place we have, and hold on the Shift Ctrl I or Shift Command I to invert mask, or go to the select in inverse. Now I will feather selection a bit. Go to select menu, modify, feather. Something about 0.5 pixel is fine, and I will delete. Oh, it is not working, so I'm going to mask layer, black color, and hold on the Alt or Option, delete or backspace. Or as you know how to edit that, you could just simply select and go into mask editor and edit the mask here. I was just trying to show you another technique. Alright. So I think this is better than without any element in background.